Hey, this is Brian from quantlabs.net. And there's a phase two, the voice, and the desktop. That's me. Uh, well, I'm here telling you that I do think that 2012 be a fantastic year for traders. And it's time to get real serious about trading. I'm a 20-year plus programmer. I've been following the markets for the last 3 years, blending all kinds of techniques, namely quant. Not technical trading, not fundamental analysis, but using quantitative analysis. I've been learning about different high-frequency trading systems, different trading platforms, the different algorithms, what infrastructures and technologies to use. I've got 25 plus videos on this Quant Labs channel. I've got a blog. I've got 1,200 people on my opt-in list, 500 people in a LinkedIn group, and over, I believe, around 120 plus people in a local meetup that I run. So it's huge growth. So there's a big demand for this sort of thing. And as a result, in the last few months, I've launched a membership-based service. It's so cheap right now; it's ridiculously cheap. 50% off right now. It's $60 with all kinds of software goodies to get you started using Visual Studio, MATLAB code, MATLAB instructions. There's videos. There's a 2 year historical database on there. Oh, it's for Forex as well, 14 years. So it's got loads of goodies. I mean, serious amount of goodies. And for $60, you can't go wrong on that. So after today, I've shown you how to get your live data going through a really great piece of software and a bunch of other things. So we're now done the infrastructure. We're done building that. All the technology's kind of in place now using MATLAB and C++ for development and strategies. And that's what we're focusing on for 2012 is live trading strategies, algorithms, and modeling. So because of that, that's going to increase the value of that membership to be part of that as we start to develop it as a community coming out of the LinkedIn group, the meetup, and I've run into all kinds of serious players in the trading field. I've got VPs from Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, you name it, I've got them. And they are part of the community either through the LinkedIn group or part of the meetup group that I run, and also part of the email list that I manage as well. So that's where we stand right now. Now, the outlook for 2012. Today's December 29th. I do look. Yeah, I got monitors everywhere. But this is what I'm reading off of CNN today, December 29th. I'll get to you in a minute. We expect light trading through today and tomorrow, and any noise can create wild swings, said Doug Cote, of Chief Market Strategist at ING Investment Management. This is where it gets interesting. See, I'm not ignoring you. Looking ahead, many investors expect stocks to move higher in the first few months of 2012, and it's going to be an awesome year, believe me, I know that. The U.S. economy has shown signs of improvement recently, with economists forecasting a 3.3% increase in GDP the final months of 2011. In addition, corporate profits are expected to rise in the fourth quarter, continuing an 11-month streak. How about that? And we're at the bottom. I read and I listen to my Bloomberg, and I'll tell you something. We are at a bottom of something huge. 2010 had a 20+% return on the stock market. So we're in the midst of something big only in the American market. There's a few other little markets we can play with, like Norway is a big one as a tip there. That part of our membership would be on. Anyways, I'm very excited to be where I'm at today at the end of December, going into 2012. I think you should be too. So as a result, yeah, get your membership now while it's still cheap, and you can get those goodies. All right, just there's some link at the bottom below here. So your loss if you don't take part of it. I'm not going to be a pitch man and force you to do it, but have a nice day.